Hi guys, wanted to do a quick demo video of how to graph things on your calculator. So I've got my TI-84 Plus on the screen, and to graph, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that very top left button. It says y equals. So when I hit y equals, and I had a couple equations in there, I'll clear them out. It brings you to this screen y1 equals and y2 equals and so on and so forth. We can graph multiple equations on our calculator at once. So for example, the problem I have on the screen, I graphed it by hand. I just want to make sure I graphed it correctly. So what's important is that you get your equations in y equals form. You got to get y by itself for it to work with the calculator. So you can see my red equation on the screen, y equals 5/3 x plus 2/3. I'm going to go ahead and type that in, 5/3 x plus 2/3. So that's my red equation, and I can hit enter. And it goes down to y2. So I'll go ahead and plug in my blue equation now. Y equals -2x plus 5 halves, 5 divided by 2. And now that I've got my equations plugged into my calculator, I'm going to hit the very top right button. It says graph on my calculator. So when I hit that button, it draws those two lines. There's my red line, there's my blue line, and it does look like I graphed it correctly when I graphed it by hand. Those do look pretty good. So just a quick example of how to use that y equals and that graph function to get your graph onto your calculator.